afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government pass question number 48, and the question here says the tenure of non-permanent members of the Security Council is dash. The tenure of non-permanent members of the Security Council is dash. So what this question is asking us is that how many years do members of permanent of the Security Council spend in office? So that is what the question is saying. Option A say 4 years, B say 2 years, C say 6 years, D say 5 years. And as we all know, under the UN condition, particularly the Security Council, they are to spend 2 years. They not permanent. They are to spend 2 years in office. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.